Did you know that nearly 70% of projects fail because of poor planning and execution? Every day, businesses lose time, money, and opportunities because projects lack clear goals, proper communication, and effective management. Many teams struggle with missed deadlines, budget overruns, unclear responsibilities, and constant changes. Research shows that 37% of project failures happen because goals aren't clearly defined, while poor stakeholder engagement and communication create even bigger challenges. The root problem is simple. Many professionals are expected to manage projects without understanding the fundamentals of project management. The Project Management course for beginners provides a practical foundation for planning, executing, monitoring, and successfully delivering projects. Participants learn how to manage scope, time, cost, risks, and stakeholders while using proven project management techniques that work in real business environments. Strong project management turns ideas into results. If you're ready to improve your skills, lead projects with confidence, and increase your career opportunities, enroll in the Project Management course for beginners today.